Concussions are not an uncommon thing for athletes. Many football players experience them because of high-impact sports. BYU's running back Riley Burr is just one of many to experience such trauma.
My head hit the ground, and that's what caused it. And I came up, and I was really blurry looking around, and I couldn't track things. It was hard to see, and that was definitely the worst one.
Luckily, mechanical engineering professors at BYU, Utah State, and Japan are busy studying cavitation, which in the future could help resolve concussions. These professors performed an experiment using a glass bottle of water and a rubber hammer. When hitting the top of the glass bottle with the mallet, cavitation is created. It is when air bubbles are formed caused by a high-velocity impact. This creates force pushing down on the bubbles, causing them to collapse, which sends a shock wave to the bottom of the bottle, and it shatters. The cavitation is what causes the bottom of the bottle to break, not necessarily the hammer.
As the brain moves with a sudden acceleration, then that causes bubbles to form, the cavitation to occur, and the shock wave that gets generated as the bubble collapse could cause brain injury.
Utah State mechanical engineering professor Tad Truscott believes that in the future, this discovery on cavitation can be useful to designers making football helmets. Concussion-proof helmets could make all the difference for football players.
It's not worth my brain and the rest of my life just to keep playing football for another year or two. So if they came out with a helmet like that, that'd be a game changer for sure.
These professors have studied cavitation for 6 years. Their next step is to continue their research with high hopes of more discoveries. I'm Charlie Young, 11 News.